Thank you. All right, so today we're going to add on ordered pairs to our circle, and we're going to use those ordered pairs in just a minute. So there's pattern to the ordered pairs. You have to remember the ones in the first quadrant. Once you get those, you just do the pattern. All right, so over here at 0, the ordered pair is 1, 0. Here's why. Think about the x value. You go over 1, up none. All right? So 1, 0 right there. Now, here's what they did. They made these angles, like pretend 30 degrees, pretend they made it into a right triangle right here. And then they did the Pythagorean theorem and calculated all the lengths. So this is how they got these little ordered pairs. They pretended they were right triangles, did Pythagorean, and got the lengths of the sides. That's all. So, and these side lengths are special to us. So 30 degrees, they got square root of 3 divided by 2. Square root of 3 divided by 2, comma 1/2. All right, when they calculated for 45, they got square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2, same thing. For 60 degrees, it's the same as 30, but reverse order. So 1/2 square root of 3 over 2, right there. And then straight up would be, what do y'all think? Ordered pair for this, 0, 1. These are the ones you got to remember. As long as you know this, we can get the rest. Now here's how my gifted bunch remembers it. Look at this. Everybody right here is over 2. They're all over 2. You got 1, 2, 3 on top. 1, 2, 3 on top. Like that. That's what they say. So however we can remember these. All right, so here's what the pattern comes in. If we folded this over the Y, it would reflect. For instance, this one here at 60 degrees, if we folded it, it would land right here. But because I'm in first quadrant here, this is first quadrant we just did, the signs are positive. If I go second quadrant, what are my signs going to put me here? Negative, positive, because you go left, up. So that means when I reflect, that 1/2 square root over 2 is going to be negative 1/2, and square root of 3 over 2 is positive. This one at 45 lands over here, and it's negative, positive. And then negative, positive on this one. And even on the 180 is coming from over there, it'd still be negative 1 and 0. So all of those just land it over and make the x negative. Okay? Alright. Then we're going to take this and we're going to fold it this way now. So if I fold it that way, that means my number here at 150 is going to land right here at 210. So this one's going to land here. First of all, we're quadrant 3. What are my signs in quadrant 3? Both negative, because you're left then down, okay? So that means that right here is going to be negative square root of 3 over 2, negative 1/2. Reflecting from above. Negative square root of 2 over 2, negative square root of 2 over 2. And then negative 1/2 and negative square root of 3 over 2. What would straight down be? 0, negative 1. Look above, it comes from straight up, it just changes the sign. 0's 0. Okay? Now, you can fold from the top to get this last one, or you can fold from over here to get either way. It's going to give it to you. What are my signs in the fourth quadrant? Positive, negative. So what would we have at 300 then?
Positive 1 over 2, negative square root of 3 over 2.
Yes. Yes. and then a positive square root of 2 over 2, and a negative square root of 2 over 2. And then a positive square root of 3 over 2, and then a negative 1/2. So really, you just learn the first quadrant, and then reflect and fix the signs. Okay, Jesse, if you'll